Like a boss.
All right, ladies, this is Alex from Mindful Attraction, and today we're going to be talking about the 5 type of men you should avoid. All right, now we're going to be talking about the types of guys. What? I put black guys? Oh, that's not it. That's fucking wrong. Okay, that's for another one. I thought I put black guys. I'm like, that is fucking racist. How the fuck did I even put black guys on there? You have nothing wrong with black people, ladies and gentlemen. You can consider me black if you want to, right? But these are the kind of guys that you guys want to avoid, and I'm gonna. The first one, isn't that serious. It's not serious because people have potential, all right? So you could definitely, but I wouldn't recommend the first one. But before I say that, I have a seminar in New York City in 2 weeks, October 26th. It's gonna be on finding your life's purpose and on social mastery. So the first one is about finding your life's calling, and the second one is about social mastery. Right? 10 is in New York City, and I made it at a very affordable price for the simple fact that I'm recording this for a course. So this is pretty much giving you guys an access to the course before it comes out, and it's in person. So if you want to purchase it, it's on the link below. And I'll be going to Europe, Berlin. Just check what city I'm gonna be in your city next year is on the description down below. Okay, check it down below. All right, ladies. Look, the first one is this. Okay, now look, I say this, but to all the Sheer 7 fans, careful how you react to me, because I don't want to have to make another video about you guys, all right? Careful how you react, because if you start bitching and crying, I will make another video, okay? I will make another video. I'm just waiting for you guys to react. I'm waiting for you guys, okay? Because I have the button ready. First one is this: you can't be hanging out with broke dudes, man. Dusty ass, broke ass motherfuckers, man, because I'm not talking about guys who are on their purpose and who are working towards a career. I'm talking about guys who smoke weed all day and do shit. Those kind of guys, you guys can't be with those kind of guys, because those guys will take you down. They'll take you down. See what I'm saying? Like, and the way you see that, the problem is that those kind of guys, it's hard to tell the difference between fake ambition and real ambition. The only way to tell about real ambition is time. But you don't have the time to be waiting for no dude. So I would recommend don't hang out with broke dudes, man, because it's not a good idea. It's you're if you love them, go ahead. Don't get me wrong. If you love them, and if you're a young lady, but if you're like in your 30s and 40s, unless you're broke and that's the kind of lifestyle you like, and you live in a poor area, go ahead. Nothing wrong with that. But like, you can't be a successful woman and you're with a broke dude, man. That's a problem with being a successful woman. Is that you're literally limiting your options. It's not the same for guys. So, like, broke men, don't get out. Don't get with them. I don't recommend them. Now, Sheer 7 fans, relax the fuck up, okay, and keep listening. All right. Now, the second one. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, man, but it's important to let out aggression. Okay, it's important to let out aggression. Okay, because the thing is, ladies and gentlemen, is that every YouTuber reads comments, right? And the problem with most YouTubers act like the comments don't hurt them. They do hurt them. The problem is that they don't know how to redirect that aggression. I know how to do that. The Lord, Robert Greene taught me well. The second one is inconsistent behavior. All right. Now, inconsistent behavior is him saying he likes you, then one day, then the next day he's busy, and there's always a perfect excuse. There's always an excuse for their inconsistency. You see what I'm saying? There's always a very thought out, reasoned out excuse, right? I don't give a fuck. Anytime you see somebody being inconsistent, let me tell you something. If a woman flakes on a date with me, she acted like she wanted to see me, and then she flakes on a date, and then her excuses, I'm in the hospital, and there's a photo of her in the hospital. That's fine, you're in the hospital, but you let me know when you get better, and we're gonna hang out. I'm not gonna check up on you. I don't know you. I don't know if you're lying or not. I don't know your history. This could be something you do with every guy, so that they could just be quiet and take it. You see what I'm saying? You don't know people, so I don't give a fuck if you say your mom died and you show me evidence of her being on the grave. I don't give a fuck. You let me know when you get better through. You let me know when you're done grieving. You hit me up. I am not gonna. So that's what I'm saying is that inconsistency, them wanting to see you, then the next day they disappear on you for the whole week. You are not gonna be pursuing them. When somebody's inconsistent, you do not demand them to change. Okay, you just observe and pull away. Observe and you don't ask them to change. I'm getting mad because a lot of women, they come at me for that, and I'm like, woman, you can't. I'm not even start. The third one is exaggerates his goodness and honesty. You know, like, oh, I mean, like LeBron James. There you go, like LeBron. Right, like LeBron James, right, motherfuckers, man, like motherfucker LeBron, man, like he acts like an angel, he acts like a saint, right? But when it comes down when it comes down to it, they don't follow through. What I'm saying is this: trust people who look a little, who don't. How can I say it? Trust. The less that somebody says how good they are, the more you should trust them. You see what I'm saying? But if you're noticing like, man, he's such an angel. Well, when you notice there's like an extra umph of warmth, unless they're on LSD or shrooms, if there's like an umph of warmth, unless it's got a promotion, unless something great just happened in their lives, or unless they're in the present moment 99.9% of the time, which is very rare but possible, that's an act, man. That's an act. Like when people try to be super, super, super nice, like, hey, how's it going, man? You know, people who don't stop smiling, right? I'm not saying they're evil. I'm saying keep your eye on them. And so those kind of guys, when you go out with them, they'll say, I love honesty. I love this. I love commitment. Like they'll put on an act that they love faithfulness. But because they'll be the first one to cheat on your ass. You see what I'm saying? Those kind of guys, you want to be aware. It takes time. You see, it takes time to understand who they are. So so that's what I'm saying is that when somebody's coming on too thick, like when a woman comes at me and says she loves to suck my dick, right? Or like I love sucking your dick, or I love threesomes, or you know, like when she says saying things that I like to do, and then she puts on an act. Well, you know what happens after a few weeks? That desire just goes away. Why? Because it really came from her. It came from her trying to please me. You see what I'm saying? And there's nothing wrong with that. What I'm saying is that when somebody lays it on thick, like somebody who, I mean, just keep going. The next one is this is very important, man. Verbal abuse, right? Verbally abusive, right? Guys who are verbally abusive, I don't even see why you should even be with them. Now, there's no reason to be with people who are verbally abusive unless you're used to it, or unless you depend on them. There's no reason to be with someone who's verbally abusive. No reason, along with the physical abuse, because those kind of guys are kind of guys that will destroy you for the rest of your life. See what I'm saying? Those are the kind of guys that you don't want to be around. You know, they'll lower your self-esteem. They'll tell you who you are. That's not good, man. All right. Now, so we got broke man, right? Inconsistent behavior, right? Exaggerates his goodness, okay? Verbally abusive, all right? Those are the kind of guys. And the last one that you ladies have to avoid is that he's always busy. Guys who are always busy. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't want to be with guys who are always busy. Because maybe it's the fact that he's always busy. Because as soon as he stops being busy, you may lose interest. Guys who are always busy just present a challenge to your ego. You want to take that time from him. So easy. So easy to get a woman with that, right? But that's your main weakness, right? Guys who are always busy, don't waste your time. Just say, oh, okay. I mean, because the thing is that like you're always chasing. You're always chasing guys who are always busy because you know they're busy. So you justify or you rationalize when they don't respond to you. When you know, like guys who are always busy, just move on from them, because those are the guys who will always use their busyness or their career as to why you want more time from them. Nah, fuck that shit, man. Don't waste your time with that. Move on. Find somebody else who has more time for you. It is that simple. Like, what you could do is pull away. Pull away. If you contact him three times a week, start contacting him once a week, right? Get him to fill in the gaps that you stop filling in. And if every time you take a step back, he doesn't fill it in, he just stays where he is, like China, then you know that's how he wants it. You see, ladies and gentlemen, some men are like China. Some men are uncompromising. We're gonna make a video about that next. All right. Anyways, this is Alex from My Attraction. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I want you guys to come to my seminar in New York City. Okay, it's gonna be fun. I know you guys are gonna love it. All right. Okay. All right, ladies. Peace out and have a nice day. Take care, motherfuckers. All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is I'm giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. You know, it's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your non-verbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that. Creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post-honeymoon period, and again is a short list of videos, because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's gonna become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and all you gotta do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos: stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right. And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right. See you guys inside.